Hey guys, Helpup here. Gonna be doing a reaction to Parody Jigsaw's final game, recommended by Marquise Pixley. It's by I don't know. I can only remember so many things before my mind fully blinks. The downside of having autism, or whatever. At this point, I'm not really sure which mental disability slows my thinking, but yeah, it's a head. But yeah, I usually don't watch horror movies because I jump scare easily. So yeah, avoid those. Like, I rarely watch anime because most of the stuff is pretty goddamn gory, and a lot of them. Eh. Like Berserk. I'm like watching that, I'm like, oh, I saw this kinda newish one on Netflix, and yeah, no thanks. What can I say? I'm a pacifist. Well, okay, I'll still fight to protect myself, but I don't like to fight people. So anyway, let's just get to the video. That's three, two, one. Well, that was quick. Wake up! Yeah, hey, it's him! The guy from the midget who's in a lot of movies, I think. I forgot which one. Or Little People.
What the fuck? Help! Somebody help! Wake up, guys!
What's just happened? Yeah, weird. That was odd.
Why are we chained up?
I don't know, maybe Goofy's rape dungeon. I got that from what do they call it? McFarlane's newest Border Town.
What do you mean a game? What the fuck? Why do I feel like I have to shit?
You have abused your talents by creating graphic videos,
So?
victimizing certain people and trends. YouTube has turned you on to monsters, but that changes today.
Right.
The rules are simple.
Look who's talking.
First, I will demonetize this video by playing my theme song. There is a handgun in the center of the room.
Okay.
One bullet in the chamber. Use it wisely.
Shoot
You'll have
TV.
60 seconds to escape, or else a deadly toxin will be released into the room.
You're already unleashing it.
Oh fuck! Smells like ass!
There's only one key that will set you free. Here's a clue.
Really? In his ass.
Oh, I don't think the key's in my ass!
Oh, and I may have administrated laxatives to one person in the room. Live or die. Let the games begin.
Okay. So just have him shit.
Wants us to stick our hands in Coop's ass.
Ha!
Nope, fuck that. No, that's bullshit! We make videos to entertain people! Shit! No!
Oh, dude. What are you, Eric Cartman from that Skyline video?
I'm not sticking my hand up his ass! No, one of you two are fucking doing it.
Why didn't he just shit it out?
I don't mean to be that guy, but you only got 60 seconds or so. Nope. No.
You're the only one small enough.
Hand up his ass. I've been in this predicament before.
I'm not being
There's no way
negative at all, but I'm being literal. He, without causing a lot of pain for him compared to everyone else's hands.
Well, it ain't me.
No, dude, no fucking way.
Really? Fuck it all.
I'm still not doing it.
Probably.
Fucking doing it! Let's be real here. We're running out of time. You have smaller hands than I do. Alright?
Yeah, you owe him, though. You're gonna have to owe him big one. Or big time.
Oh no! Get out! Oh! Get off the ground, right? Get off the ground!
He can't! Help him. Well, he's dead. Okay, that's an unnecessary amount of blood.
Why me? Come on, man, just do it. We're running out of time. Do it! Do it! Do it so good! Okay, I'm gonna do it!
Give me the biggest middle finger if I found out it's not in his ass.
I got it! Here it comes! It's gonna be alright! No! No! No!
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it out! Oh, we're out of wait time. What is that? What is it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Hello, Ryan, Cortland, and Little Ryan, or as they call you, Oddest of the Odd. You were probably expecting to find a key, but the rules were simple. Following them would have led to your freedom. You're probably wondering why this is happening. You
Yeah.
all made a choice, and that's the reason you're here.
The pig.
Capturing you all was easy.
Except for him. Don't pull your back out.
How long until someone can take so much ridicule before they snap?
Really? Hey.
You always thought I was so dumb, but that's what made it so perfect.
It can't be that. Okay, it's covered, so it shouldn't be possible to hear anything.
You always said my parts were deadly. Ha! Deadly gas.
Really?
More like my deadly ass. I'm tired of always being the butt of the joke in every video. But now who's the joke? Now who's laughing?
Really?
Will you stick your hand in your best friend's ass in order to save yourself? Or will you be the selfish assholes you really are?
Smacks him with a pillow. But. Eh?
Why? Why? You know why. He's so nasty. It's like his sole purpose is to shit himself every day.
Yeah.
There's something wrong with that guy.
Y'all talking about Coops? That guy is smelly.
Never heard of it.
It's made me into a smelly freak. But who's the smelly freak now?
You still are.
Films were easy. Just have one big twist.
Really, dude?
Honest with the odd. Ryan, Cortland, Little Ryan. I want to play a game.
Guys! Wake up! Somebody help! He was in his ass the whole time.
Wants us to stick our hands in Coops' ass.
I forgot what they say at the end of these movies. You mean game over? Game over!
You can still get out. You just gotta stick your finger in someone else's ass.
Oh, hey there. What's up? Been in here for a while now. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'm gonna be in here for, I don't know how long I'm gonna be in here for. Pretty sure it's been like a week or so. So you guys should just do
You should be dead.
like and subscribe.
That was my reaction to that. That was holy crap disturbing and disgusting. Wow. It's like an 8-minute video, but still, holy shit. Literally. What about shit episode? Yeah, boy. Well, hope you guys liked the reactions. It was like a really disgusting video, but yeah, video nonetheless. Here, I thought I'd do it. Here, I was hesitant to want to do reaction videos to Cyanide and Happiness, a funny little cartoon thing that people make that's like really dark. I mean, super dark. About every little thing you can think of. Well, I'm almost at the point I want to react to that now because I don't know, you guys might like it. And it could be up to me, but I really want you guys' opinion on that because yeah, I'd have to block out a lot since it likes to show private parts which I do not like to have on my videos. So anyway, hope you guys liked the reaction and have a nice day.
I know it's so much easier to stay or get up and walk away than to put yourself into the crowd.